A body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 64 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes, and the same body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. What is the temperature of surrounding? So here it is given that initially the temperature of object was something like 80 degrees Celsius. It's changed to 64 degrees Celsius in 5 minutes. So we can take it as time is equal to 5 minutes. And then the same body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. So we are considering the other situation where the temperature changes from 80 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius in a time of, let's say, that is equal to 10 minutes. What is the temperature of surrounding? So our aim is to find out the temperature of surrounding. Let's say the temperature of surrounding is equal to Ts. So we are going to use this Newton's law of cooling, that is dt divided by dt is equal to a constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So you can write in the first situation, temperature of object is changing from 80 to 64. So we can say that there is a difference of 16 degrees Celsius. So we can write as 16 divided by time taken for it is given as nothing but 5 minutes is equal to a constant into temperature of object. For temperature of object, we need to take the average value over here. Here you can write the average value is equal to nothing but 72. So you can write as 72 minus temperature of surrounding. That is what we need to find out. Let's say that is equal to Ts. Now in the second situation, we can write the temperature is changes from 80 to 52 degrees Celsius. So the value of change in temperature, we can take it as nothing but 28. So this is 28 divided by time is given as nothing but 10 minutes is equal to a constant into 66 minus temperature of surrounding, which we can take it as, let's say, Ts. Now we'll divide these two equations. So if we are dividing these two equations, we can observe that this one and this one get cancelled. We are getting it as 2. And this, if you are dividing by 4, we are getting it as 4 and 7. So you can write it as something like 8 divided by 7 is equal to this constant get cancelled. We can write 72 minus temperature of surrounding divided by 66 minus temperature of surrounding. Now we can multiply with 8 over here. So 8 into 66 minus temperature of surrounding is equal to 7 into 72 minus temperature of surrounding. 8 into 66, which we can take it as something but 528 minus 8 times of temperature of surrounding is equal to 7 into 72, which we can take it as 504 minus temperature of surrounding, which we can take it as 7 Ts. So you can write this as 528 minus 504 is equal to nothing but temperature of surrounding. This is 8 Ts minus 7 Ts, which is equal to Ts. So you can write the difference in temperature is equal to nothing but 24. So that is the temperature of surrounding.